If road signs confuse you, this video ends that today. Master these 40 must-know US road signs and your DMV victory is assured. Ready? Let's begin. Here is a familiar one. What is it? Good call. This is the wild horse sign. This gets test takers off guard. What does it refer to? Nailed it. This is the farm vehicle sign. This one is tricky. What might it be? Yes. This is the bicycle route sign. This is a common one. Name it? Great catch. This sign warns of emergency vehicles. What do you think this one means? Awesome. This is the flagger ahead sign. Let's see if you know this one. What is it? Well spotted. This is the airport sign. This road sign is? You got it. This is a bump sign. This traffic sign is? Good call. This is the handicapped sign. What about this one? What is it? Nailed it. This is the snowmobile sign. Here is a familiar one. What is it? Yes. This is the narrow underpass sign. This gets test takers off guard. What does it refer to? Great catch. This sign warns of bicycle slippery when wet ahead. This is a common one. Name it? Well spotted. This is the bus station sign. This one is tricky. What might it be? Awesome. This sign prohibits bicycles. What do you think this one means? You got it. This is the hospital sign. Let's see if you know this one. What is it? Good call. This sign prohibits equestrians. This road sign is? Nailed it. This is the slow sign. This traffic sign is? Yes. This is the telephone sign. What about this one? What is it? Great catch. This is the train station sign. Here is a familiar one. What is it? Awesome. This is the horse-drawn vehicle sign. This gets test takers off guard. What does it refer to? Well spotted. This is the equestrian sign. This one is tricky. What might it be? You got it. This is the no passing zone sign. This is a common one. Name it? Good call. This is the lane ends merge left sign. What do you think this one means? Nailed it! This sign prohibits snowmobiles. Let's see if you know this one. What is it? Yes, this sign prohibits skaters. This road sign is? Great catch! This is the no straight through sign. This traffic sign is? Awesome! This is the tow-away zone sign. What about this one? What is it? Well spotted! This is the reverse turn right sign. Here is a familiar one. What is it? You got it! This is the turn left sign. This gets test takers off guard. What does it refer to? Good call. This is the one-way sign. This one is tricky. What might it be? Nailed it! This is the lane ends merge right sign. This is a common one. Name it? Yes, this is the straight through only sign. What do you think this one means? Great catch! This is the added right lane sign. Let's see if you know this one. What is it? Awesome! This is the turn right sign. This road sign is? Well spotted! This is the offset side road sign. This traffic sign is? You got it! This is the bike lane sign. What about this one? What is it? Good call! This is the added left lane sign. Here is a familiar one. What is it? Nailed it! This is the curve right sign. This gets test takers off guard. What does it refer to? Yes, this is the reverse curve right sign. This one is tricky. What might it be? Great catch! This sign warns traffic merging from right. This is a common one. Name it? Awesome! This is the reverse curve left sign. Congrats making it to the end. Subscribe now and turn on notifications to stay up to date with the latest DMV road signs videos. Click on the videos on your screen to keep learning. See you in the next video.